The Supreme Court on Friday allowed wrestler Vinesh Phogat to compete in the selection trials for the Asian Games 2026 scheduled for May 30th to 31st, while hearing a plea by the Wrestling Federation of India challenging a Delhi High Court order that had permitted her participation. The WFI had earlier declared Phogat ineligible for domestic competitions until June 26, citing a mandatory 6-month cooling-off period for athletes returning from retirement under anti-doping rules. However, the Delhi High Court ruled against this restriction, noting that Phogat was returning after a maternity break and stating that motherhood cannot be used as a ground to exclude women athletes. Phogat's lawyer Madhavi Divan told the court that she only wants to participate and may or may not succeed. Meanwhile, the WFI has allowed her to compete in the 50 kg category, her recent international weight class, including at the 2024 Paris Olympics. At least 16 women wrestlers have approached the court seeking that Phogat not be given direct entry into the trials and instead be required to follow the regular qualification process. Although she had been training for the 53 kg category, the WFI source said she would be placed in the 50 kg category due to the absence of formal communication from her regarding a change in weight class. So viewers, do you think athletes returning from a maternity break should be treated differently in selection trials, or should the same rules apply to everyone? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.